Number 3.
So today we have a task by Quality Project Management. So our task is do a QA/QC, which is the quality assessment and quality checks. So this is our group members. We are group 7. So this is our tools. Without the more, let's go.
Let's go.
Haziq. Haziq, inside.
So this is all the tools that came out from the bag. We got spiral level, extension rod, measuring tape, steel weight, steel gauge, and inspection mirror, and also S-square.
Class C assessment form. So we gonna to check the floor, wall, ceiling, door, window, anything else. So let's go.
Alright. First thing we need to check on the form is the floor. As I see, the floor finishing is okay. Is in great condition. After checking every part of the floor alignment is in good condition. It's okay. First, check the bubble is centered and it does not exceed the 1 mm gap. Let's check the hollowness of the floor. Can you feel it? It's not okay. Cracks and damages. What is this? This is not okay.
Okay.
As you can see here, the jointing of the roof floor is not properly placed. So that means the jointing is not okay.
Yeah. So now we move on to the wall part. So first, we go to finishing of the wall. As you can see, for the finishing of the wall is not okay. So now we want to check the evenness of the wall.
Look, as you can see the bubble in the center, right?
Tak boleh bisik kot.
So, evenness of the wall is okay. Let's go.
So now we check the crack of the wall. You can look, have the crack. So for the cracking, the wall is not okay. Hey! So I just checked every inch of the wall. For the hollowness, it's okay. So for the joint, the wall is very bad, as you can see. Oh, sepatutnya sekali.
It should
It should
not.
not more than 4 mm. So we get hilang.
So we move to the ceiling part. So for the finishing part, as you can see for the ceiling part, there are several defects. That we move to the part of the patchy ceiling. So for the finishing, it's not okay. For the alignment and evenness, for this ceiling is okay. As you can see, there is no crack and damage on the ceiling. But for the jointing part, there are some gap on the ceiling. Okay, thank you.
Hello. So we focus on the jointing and the gap of the door. So after check, there you go. It's perfectly on 5 mm gap. We use steel gauge. And
Steel gauge.
now we move on to the alignment part, which is I will check, or everyone will check the list, and we'll check the gap. It exceeds way off from what we expected. Okay, so no.
Not comply.
So material and damage.
Yes.
So based on my look, there's no damage on the door. But if we look on top of the door,
Lack of material.
lack of material. Alright. check functionality of the door. Lock. Okay.
So moving on to the window part. First, we take a look for the joint and gap. So looking here, the joints, it's not. What do you think? It's not looking good. I don't think it's compliant. So for the jointing, it's not compliant. Yeah, the gap also is not compliant. But for the window frame is by visualize is aligned, so it's compliant. So we checking the material. So the material of the glass, as you can see here, is
Sticky.
very sticky. I don't know why. So it's not compliant. Right. So we take a look for the functionality of the window. Oh, cannot open.
Does not comply.
It's not compliant. And also we checking the accessory of the window. So the lock is not compliant. Next, this one is compliant, but once compliant, it's not compliant. For the curtain, okay, the function is compliant.
Okay, keep it. So we go on to the internal features. So for this last one, the slide is speedway and no damage. It also functioning well. So we move to the air conditioner. There is no gap between the aircon and ceiling. It fits well.
On the last part, we take on the mechanical and electrical fitting. There are two aspects which are not okay. First one is joints and gap, and the alignment. Look at here. The alignment is not properly centered. Both are not okay. Now we move to the functionality and safety part. As you can see here, this is broken. Cannot use it. So this is not okay for the functionality. And this is the defects on the accessories, which is not okay too. After I check all the material fittings, it is all okay.
So for the second place, we go to toilet. Let's go.
Female toilet.
No. Toilet.
Alright. We move. Just move. Okay, now we have to repeat all the assessment as the toilet. As you can see here, it is follow, which means it's not okay. Look at the finishing here. What is this? It's not okay. Very bad. Now the bubble is the center, and after I've checked, it does not exceed the 3 mm. Now there is cracks and damage here, so it's not okay. One more time.
So for finishing of the wall, we look. And here, it's not okay. Not okay. So for the wall element, as you can see, at the center line, and also not more than 4 mm. So the wall is okay. So let's check the cracking of the wall. As you can see, has a crack here. So cracking of the wall is not okay.
What?
So for hardness, overall is okay. Okay, so as you can see, for alignment, for the joint of the wall, not more than 4 mm, right? So, okay,
For the shading part, for the finishing is very bad. You can see here there is some hole and mold. For the shading gap, there is some gap for the joint gap, and the condition of joint gap is not okay. For the alignment, you can see here, it's not okay. So for part of ceiling for the toilet is not okay.
So now you check the door on the toilet. So we use the steel gauge. So it exceeds the 5 millimeter of the gap. So this doesn't apply. We check the gap on the bottom of the door.
Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God.
Oh man, so bad. It's so bad, so it doesn't apply. Now, we move on to the finishing part. There's a bit of tape and there's a visible damage to the door. One last thing.
Allahu Akbar, Abazi.
Oh. This does not clean fully.
My God.
This does not apply.
Okay.
Now the function. Okay, it's okay on this part. Like the
Open the door.
this does not apply because you can't lock it properly.
It doesn't function.
You can't lock it properly because there's a band on the steel part. But this is okay. But one doesn't comply and one comply. So it's not okay. So now this is the last part of the door. We're gonna check the alignment between the door using a clear level and a steel winch. It exceeds 2.5 milliliter of measurement. So it does not apply. Is it correct, Amit?
Yes, it is correct.
So, it's not okay.
So what? Wanna fight?
Lastly, we move to the M&E fittings. First, the functionality.
It use sensor. It use sensor, man.
We move to the last part, which is M&E fittings. You can see here, it lights. It means it functions. It's functioning. Yes.
So now we go to balcony to check. Make some inspection pula. Inspection.
First, we move to the floor part. The finishing is not properly there, as you can see here. It is not okay.
Okay.
Can you hear it?
Can't hear it.
A bit hollow. It is not a good condition. It's not okay. Now, look at here. This is a crack spotted on the floor. It is not okay. The jointing is there is gap between the corner. It is not okay.
So you move on to the wall and the balcony. So for the finishing of the wall is not okay. Look. Not okay. So for the alignment, this, as you can see sini, the bubble at the center, and then for the 3 point, not more than 1 mm. So overall, oh no. You can see more than 1 mm. So alignment for the wall is not okay. So for the cracking, I just walk the whole wall. Not have cracking, so for the cracking is okay. So let's check the joint. So the joint is okay because not more than perfect. Because not more than 1 mm. So for the hollowness of the wall,
And then there's
can you hear it?
yeah.
So for the hollowness, it's not okay. Oh, very bad.
So we move to the ceiling part. As you can see here, for the finishing part of the ceiling is not okay because there is some dirt and mold. For the joint gap, there is some gap between the joint. So it's not okay. Okay, for the crack, roughness and alignment, the ceiling is okay.
So for the Q classic. So for the Q classic assessment, we just done. Almost take 3 hours to take this to make
the station. So that's all from Group 7. Thank you.